Generic X58 micro ATX motherboard, brand new. Wow, this almost seems too dang good to be true, with the original full ATX ones from years past going upwards of $250. Socket1366 is a nice versatile motherboard with a wide variety of processor choices on the cheap. And you could use buffered or non-buffered DDR3 RAM, usually in triple channel. Costing me around $95 because, well, I just don't like waiting on the direct ship from China. And I kind of feel satisfied with eBay's return policies. So just how generic is this thing? Well, stick around and welcome to the channel. Now, for a generic motherboard, which I had to return once because it was shutting down randomly during testing, is a $40 Cooler Master case, which would look great with some RGB ring fans, but I just don't have much faith in the old build. But I think the coolest addition is some Bluetooth RGB case lights I modded to work inside. That they come with a 12-volt wall plug and generally are attached to the back of TV or monitors. So let's just build this thing, shall we? Review. This X58 motherboard is poor quality right down to the paper-thin chipset, Heatsink. You will need lots of airflow on this board itself, so forget water cooling, get a down-firing CPU cooler. And what I did, add a chipset fan. Throw the instructions in the trash unless you read Chinese. And don't even think there's a miracle drivers on the quality homemade burnt disc that they send with it. However, if you just have a 1366 chip lying around calling out to you, "Put me in, coach, put me in," like I did with the i7-920 or Xeon or whatever, well, it's still kind of debatable. But it does work.